So a few months ago, I did my first clothing Amazon haul ever, and I posted it here on YouTube. And in that video, I was searching for promi / bridesmaid dresses because I was going to a couple of weddings. I was pleasantly surprised at the quality and material of the dresses that I got. I was really hesitant at first because I've never shopped anything clothing wise from Amazon. So I really wanted to grab those dresses, try them on, compare the quality with the price to see if it was a good deal or not. And I was really surprised because I liked the majority of those dresses and I really liked the quality for the price. I mean, the prices were unbeatable and it was really good quality items. So ever since then, I have been obsessed with buying a lot of my clothing and even shoes and sandals and even accessories from Amazon. I have gotten so many things. I decided to do another video about it. So I did do another video in December, but it was like a 60-second video just showing you guys some holiday dresses or Christmas idea outfits for the holiday season. And now I'm gonna do another one showing you guys a couple of things I picked up for spring. I don't like everything that I picked up. It looked better on the computer screen than it does on me, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway what it looks like, what I picked up, and how much it costs. So let's get started. So the first dress I picked up is this one, and I'm returning it because it's broken, unfortunately, but it's really pretty. It's really long, and I don't have any dresses or summer dresses that are long. I could literally wear this by itself or with flats, with a nice wedge, or I could even use it as a cover-up when I'm going to the beach, and it would look really nice, and it's super soft and super comfortable. So I was a little surprised that I liked this one as much as I did because it's a little long and I don't own anything this length. It's a little bit below the knee, but it looks really nice. I picked mine up in a size medium, and this one retails for $19.99, and it is called the Woman's Dress Summer Spaghetti Strap Sun Dress Casual Floral Mini Backless Button. I don't know why the names are so long. All right, backless button-up swing dresses with pockets. That's what it's advertised as on Amazon, but I'm gonna link everything down below. But this one is really nice and it's really comfortable. I will show pictures of what it looks like on the model as well, so you can have a better idea of what it looks like of someone who looks a little bit taller than I am. But the dress overall, thumbs up. I really like it, especially for the price. It's 20 bucks. This next dress is described as a bodycon dress, and it retails for $26.86, so it's a little bit more expensive, but I absolutely love this one. This is what it looks like. So on the skirt part, it's like a little flap. So it makes your legs look super nice. And I really love the little ruffle material here because it kind of hides your belly a little bit. It camouflages the belly area really nice. And I really like the burgundy color. This one is definitely one of my favorites that I tried on. I paired it with a pair of nude pumps. This can go either dressy or casual. I am really impressed by this one. I am keeping this one because I love it very much, and I would really recommend it. And the material feels super soft and super breathable as well. So for the summertime, I absolutely love the way a white dress looks on nice tan skin. So I purchased a couple of white dresses, this being one of them, and it looked so cute on the model that I wanted to pick it up. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look bad on the camera or in the pictures, but when I put it on, it didn't feel, I felt like a little girl. I think it's because of the ruffles on the skirt. I don't know if you can tell, it has ruffles on the skirt. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try it on again because I tried all these on for the video about a week ago, but I wasn't feeling the way it looked. It does have a really nice V-neck, and it has some really pretty buttons, and then it has a little bit of the ruffle on the sleeves as well. But for some reason, when I had it on, I just wasn't a fan of the way it fit my body shape. But this is really cute for the summer as well. You could also dress this up or dress it down. You could wear it with some pretty flats, or you could wear it with some wedges, and it'll look really pretty. But it really wasn't flattering for me and my body shape, so I will be sending this one back. But I mean, I'm not mad at the material and I'm not mad at the price. This one retailed for $23, but you get 5% off when you buy it through Amazon. This is the second white dress that I purchased. This is what it looks like. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on. It looked so pretty online, and I really like the shoulders. They do have it in a whole bunch of different colors and patterns to choose from. This one also retails for $23.99, and you get 5% off when you apply the coupon at checkout. And this one is called the Women's Summer Short Sleeve V-Neck Button Ruffle Swing Mini Dress. And my last dress is another ruffle dress, which look so nice on the models, but I don't think ruffle is for me. I already purchased 2 ruffle dresses and I absolutely hated the way they looked on me. This is the other one, and it is a yellow dress with ruffles in the bottom. I absolutely love this color for the summer. It has like the stretchy material on top, the ruffles in the bottom. I just think on tan skin, this looks absolutely beautiful. And then it has like these spaghetti straps that you could just tie on your own. You could even put them around your neck and tie them like a halter top kind of situation. But yeah, and it is really comfortable. I give it that. It is a comfortable dress. I just didn't think it flattered my body. If it didn't have the ruffles, I think I would love it a lot more. But the ruffles just didn't do it for me. This one retails for $22.99. And it is listed as the Women's Summer Spaghetti Strap Solid Color Ruffle Backless A-Line Beach Short Dress. I do like the dress. It is a dress that I would recommend. I just don't like the style of it for me and my body shape. I feel like I'm a little too old for ruffles. I think that's what it is. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I would recommend all of these dresses. I think the prices are really affordable for what you're getting. The material is really nice. Not all of them worked for me, but I have been absolutely obsessed with Amazon shopping. I've even purchased some really pretty flip-flops and sandals from there as well. Let me show you really quick. How cute are these? These are so cute and they were so inexpensive on Amazon. I mean, if I show you guys everything I pick up, I think the video will be super long because I picked up bags, I picked up sandals, a ton of accessories, just a lot of stuff. Yeah, guys, I am obsessed. So let me know if you guys enjoy these Amazon haul videos. I personally love watching clothing haul videos, especially when they're affordable. I'm not someone who shops at Nordstrom or like all these expensive ass places. I just don't see the point in it. I do believe in shopping for staple pieces, like if you want to splurge on a bag that will be timeless, a pair of shoes for sure. But when it comes to clothing, I feel like fashion changes so much. You could get the same high fashion look at an affordable price. That's just me. That's just my thought. So I'm always shopping at Amazon. I love this store called Shein. I purchased a whole bunch of stuff from there, so I might show you guys the stuff that I picked up from there because the shirts there are like $6, $8. I bought some amazing jeans that fit my curvy shape for like 11 bucks. I am obsessed with that store as well. So I might do a video on that and show you guys what I picked up from that store because it's also affordable and super, super cute. But yes, that is it for Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help. And I will see you guys in the next one.